Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by picking the right path: cloud streaming, remote desktop to an Android PC, or local virtualization on your iPhone. Once chosen, make sure you have 4+ gigabytes free, stable Wi-Fi or 5G, and a Google account ready. These support app installs and backups. Next, install the client app, cloud provider, remote desktop tool, or a virtualization app via Alt Store or Test Flight, and grant network permissions. Doing these first gets you into the setup quickly, so you can move to configuration without interruption. Once done with installs, configure the Android environment step by step so apps run smoothly. For cloud services, create an instance, pick an Android build, and enable Play Services or APK sideloading if available. This saves time. For remote desktop, authorize the host, enable clipboard and file transfer, and note latency limits. For local virtualization, import a compatible Android image, allocate CPU and RAM moderately, and set network to NAT or bridged, then map touch and keyboard input. You are now at finalization. Boot your Android environment, sign into your Google account, and update Play Store plus essential apps so permissions and services work. Make sure to adjust display scaling and input mapping for touch controls or a paired keyboard. Also set battery and performance preferences to balance heat and speed. If apps fail or performance lags, restart the instance first, then re-import the image or switch to another method. Cloud or remote often resolves device-specific limits quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.